Here at the Marine Corps base in Twentynine Palms, we have a robust environmental program. The desert tortoise is the one that actually gets the most attention because it is the sole species that's protected under the Endangered Species Act. In 2005, we constructed a facility with the concept of doing head starting. And head starting is basically monitoring female tortoises in the spring, identify when they are gravid or essentially pregnant with eggs, and then we bring them into our facility, which actually protects them as well as the nests from predators. When the hatchlings emerge to the surface, we start measuring the babies and identify them and placing specific ID tags on each one. Then for several years we monitor their growth. And then over time, we now have tortoises that are large enough so it really reduces the likelihood that at least the common raven is going to attack and kill the baby tortoises. We've been extremely successful. We have a 96% annual survivorship of animals inside the facility. In the wild, it's less than 50% just in the first year. By enabling protection of the tortoise off installation, it liberates areas on the base for the Marines to train and execute their mission.